Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to tell you how we can stop automatic update in iPhone, because a lot of people have some storage, they have less storage and they don't want to do automatically. So that's video for them. So just when you go into the settings, you'll find there is a tab which called general. So just hit on that thing, you'll find this option. So just hit on the second one, which is the software update, and you'll see this is the automatic update is turns on. So just click on it. So there are three different options: the iOS update, automatically download and it will update then, and this is the iOS updates, and this is the security responses and system files. So if you want to stop all of them, so just turn all those tabs so it will stop working and you'll see this is off. And then if you want to update your software or you want to do some updates on your phone, so you can just hit manually and it will start on that. Thumbs up if you like that video. See you in the next video.